What's up, guys? I'm Jeff Montgomery and welcome to Tax Planning on the Whiteboard. If you like what you hear, please hit subscribe. Well, our 2023 tax summary is now available for download. Look inside the show notes and click on that link and you'll be able to download this summary. Quick disclaimer, this is general information and education only. Please don't implement any strategies you see or hear on this video without talking to your tax professional first. Now, let's go to the whiteboard. The number one change is the tax brackets. They've expanded. If we look at 22% tax bracket, married filing jointly, that 2022 range fell between $83,551 and $178,150. Well, the new 2023 range for 22% married filing jointly is $89,451 up to $197,550. That's quite a big jump. For more details on other filing statuses, download that guide. Single, head of household, married filing separately is all in there. Number two, the standard deductions have increased. That's right, our deductions are higher. In 2022, married filing jointly, it was $25,900 plus another $1,400 if you're over 65. In 2023, those amounts are $27,700 plus another $1,500 respectively. For singles, the standard deductions increased to $13,850 in 2023 from the previous 2022 of $12,950. And if you're over 65 or blind, that's an additional $1,850 deduction. Number three, all the employer contribution limits to retirement plans and IRAs have increased. The IRA contribution limits have increased $500 in 2023. The max contribution, if you are under 50 for an IRA or a Roth, is $6,500 in 2023. And if you're over 50, you can add another $1,000 for a total of $7,500. Remember, you must have earned income to contribute to an IRA or a Roth IRA. And if you're covered by an employer plan, you have to be careful about your adjusted gross income calculation. Income phase-outs for deducting those contributions in a regular IRA are very important to pay attention to. You can always contribute, but the question is, if covered by an employer plan, are those contributions deductible or not? It gets a bit tricky, so track your adjusted gross income. And for Roth IRAs, you have to calculate your modified adjusted gross income to determine your eligibility to contribute to a Roth IRA. So keep your eyes on those limitations as well. They are all included in the guide. Also, contributions to 401k, simple, and SEP IRA employer plans have increased from the 2022 levels. Make sure you download that guide to check out those changes. Number four, the annual and lifetime gift and estate tax exclusions have increased for 2023. The annual gift exclusion increased $1,000 from $16,000 in 22 to $17,000 in 23. And the lifetime exclusion increased from a little over $12 million in 22 to a whopping $12,920,000 in 2023. There are some other items that changed and some things that remained the same. So again, please make sure you download our new tax summary for 2023. It's in the show notes. That's it for this episode of Tax Planning on the Whiteboard. No doubt we'll have more videos coming on other tax changes as they modify the tax code. So again, please hit subscribe and you'll get all these videos. I'm Jeff Montgomery and we'll see you next time on Tax Planning on the Whiteboard.